Joe and I have been eating carnivore for about the last month. Now, we haven't been going like full Lion's diet carnivore, but we have been doing like no carbs really, unless they come from like, I think we had asparagus, right? So we're eating a lot of meat. We eat cheese, like dairy, that kind of thing, bacon, sausage, that kind of stuff. But it's really been trimming our bodies down a lot. And we've really, really liked the results we've been seeing. We also feel very, very good. We've got a lot of energy. It seems like we're sleeping a lot better. So there's just a lot of advantages to us doing that right now. So I'm going to show you what we have for dinner. We are off grid. We have no electricity. So right now I'm cooking like on the charcoal grill, or I have like the butane burner outside on the porch, that kind of thing. But we are going to have steak for dinner tonight. You're watching American Roots. I bought these steaks from the local butcher here in Kansas. So I'm super excited to have Kansas beef. These are beef ribeye steaks. They're just under a pound each. But we found that when all you eat is meat, eggs, dairy, having a steak is a really nice.
You want to see my water line?
Are you serious?
Yeah, come look.
Hold on. I gotta put the seasoning on this steak. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited to show you. So, first attempt, 5 minutes ago. And actually, I started back there, and all I was doing was just holding them.
Well, hold on. What are you doing? What are these?
These are really cool dowsing rods that Jen let me use, good friend. And I don't know, they're made of copper, and they find water. I don't know how, I don't know, whatever, but it seems pretty simple and straightforward. So just like that, hold it parallel to the ground. When they cross,
Okay.
you find a line. So as I'm walking, and they're just doing their thing, I'm just trying to keep them as level as I can. And as we come up here, you'll see there's a line where I started to find. So as soon as I walk up, look, it crosses. So I marked it. And I was like, all right, so I'm gonna walk over here. Nothing. Walk over here. Look, crosses. And so I did that. I went all the way around. I walked over. Look, come down here. Look, right where it crosses. So if you start to look, this is how it's flowing underneath, and it's flowing downhill. So anywhere along here, I don't know how many feet. I don't know. Obviously, you're less feet from here to here down, but I don't know how it flows. Weirdest thing.
So how do you know that like your hands aren't turning them?
Because I'm holding them the same way wherever I walk. And it's just like I'm just keeping them parallel to the ground, and my hands are not turning them. As soon as I hit that spot, you saw it. Wait. And you can follow this line. You can try it. See if it doesn't work for you. You can start wherever, it doesn't matter. Start wherever and walk parallel, and then go towards the line. Don't think about it too much. Just walk. All right, so right there, you can mark that.
Well, it's still in line.
But walk over in and out of, well, it is if you see it, how it goes up that way, but come towards me over here. This is where the line was. The line is coming down this way. I remember it was past a rock over here. you're gonna hit it. Right about, there it is. See, you're not doing that.
No, I'm not.
And so you can walk back this way and kind of do an S back and forth and see what they do. Make sure they're parallel to the ground. And walk back towards that line.
I don't know where the line is.
It'll show you. Alright, let's come back this way. Yeah, well, there's one right there. Anyway, you kind of make enough marks and you find the line.
Where's the line at?
Well, this wasn't a spot. This was. This was. So actually you're right on it. Look, it starts up there where that, right above that stump, right there, and it comes down. Well, hold them. See if you can hold them straight right there. It's weird, huh?
Yeah, it's right.
Yeah, and that's on, which is, look, it goes right up that way. It might be true anywhere on the property.
Interesting. I wasn't doing anything. I was just holding them parallel to the ground, like you said, and you could feel them. That was pretty interesting. So,
I mean, theoretically, you could stab a well probably. It's probably a big swale.
swale, yeah.
Swale, yeah.
Well, that was using the dowsing rods on the property. This is super cool. Thanks, Jen and Mike.
Yes.
That was a fun experience. Now I wonder, we should mark it for real, like mark it with something, go put a stake or something in so that we could really compare and see. Yeah, that's interesting.
Drive out sticks.
Fun. Nope. Just go ahead and cut that.
Bird cooking. Hot off the grill.
Dowsing instead of cooking.
Hey, we found water. Sometimes it's the
my first Kansas steak.
it's the ripple effect.